Composting doesn't require expensive tools, just things you already have at home. Let me show you how simple it really is. Composting is a natural way to recycle kitchen waste into valuable nutrients for your plants. This process not only reduces the amount of trash sent to landfills, but also enriches the soil with organic matter, helping plants grow healthier and stronger. Vegetable scraps, fruit peels, and coffee grounds can all be reused to create nutrient-rich compost. As a result, the soil becomes looser, retains moisture better, and improves plants' resistance to pests and disease. When composting kitchen waste, focus on materials like vegetable scraps, fruit peels, coffee grounds, and used tea bags. These break down easily and provide essential nutrients for the soil. However, you should avoid adding meat, bones, dairy products, oils, or cooked foods, as they can cause bad odors and attract pests. Choosing the right materials will make your composting process more effective and much cleaner. To get started, first choose a suitable location for your compost bin, somewhere dry, well-ventilated, and easy to access. Next, select a container that fits your space and needs. This could be a plastic bin, a wooden box, or a purpose-built compost bin. Make sure it has air holes to allow oxygen to circulate and support microbial activity. You'll also need basic materials like green waste, brown materials, and a small amount of soil or finished compost to kickstart the process. Meeting these simple requirements will help keep your compost healthy and odor-free. Maintaining the right balance between green and brown materials is key to successful composting. Green materials such as fresh leaves, grass clippings, and food scraps provide nitrogen, while brown materials like dry leaves and small branches are rich in carbon. A proper carbon-to-nitrogen ratio allows microorganisms to break down organic matter efficiently, reduces unpleasant smells, and helps prevent pests. Without this balance, the composting process may slow down or produce bad odors. Turning your compost pile regularly helps speed up decomposition and prevents smells from forming. Moisture control is also important. The compost should feel like a wrung-out sponge. If it's too dry, add some water. If it's too wet, mix in dry materials like leaves or shredded paper. If you notice common issues such as foul odors, insects, or slow breakdown, check your green to brown ratio and make sure there's enough airflow. Paying attention to these factors will help you produce high-quality compost for your garden. You'll know your compost is ready when it turns dark brown, smells earthy, and has a loose, crumbly texture. At this stage, you shouldn't be able to recognize the original materials like leaves or food scraps. If there's still a bad smell or visible chunks, it needs more time. Before using it, make sure the compost has cooled down completely to avoid damaging your plants. Wearing gloves while handling compost is also a good safety practice. Applying compost to your garden is an effective way to improve soil quality and encourage healthy plant growth. When you spread a layer of compost over the soil, nutrients are slowly released and absorbed by plant roots. Compost also improves soil structure, increases moisture retention, and creates a healthy environment for beneficial microorganisms. For best results, apply compost at the beginning of the growing season and lightly work it into the soil. Many people make common mistakes when composting kitchen waste, such as adding oily foods, meat, or dairy products, which slow decomposition and cause unpleasant smells. Another mistake is failing to balance green materials like food scraps with brown materials such as paper or dry leaves. To maximize nutrient value, chop kitchen waste into smaller pieces. Turn the pile regularly to improve airflow and maintain proper moisture levels. Adding a small amount of soil or manure can boost beneficial microorganisms and help produce richer compost. Composting offers many environmental benefits, especially by reducing the amount of waste that needs to be processed. Instead of sending organic waste to landfills, composting transforms it into valuable nutrients for the soil. Compost-enriched soil becomes more fertile, holds water better, and supports a healthy microbial ecosystem. As a result, plants grow stronger and the need for chemical fertilizers is reduced. In conclusion, composting at home is a simple yet powerful way to reduce waste and provide natural nutrients for your plants. Compost improves soil structure, moisture retention, and plant resilience. Getting started is easy. All it takes is patience and materials you already have at home. Give it a try and see the positive difference it makes in your garden. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the Compost channel so we can continue this journey together, turning waste into compost and living greener every day. See you in the next video.